about 2 to 3 seats.
1 to 3.
1 to 3 seats. That is the breakup that we're looking at the moment. We'll get you the poll numbers, but first up, 135 to 150 for the NDA, 88 to 103 for the Mahagathbandhan, 0 to 1 for the Jan Swaraj Party, 3 to 6 for others, including Tej Pratap Yadav as well as the AIMIM. That's what JVC's numbers are telling me. Anand Ranganathan, your first reaction before I go to the poll of polls.
Well, it was always going to be maker of king versus kingmaker. And I think, as JVG has said, the tactic of Prashant Kishore to not stand for elections has actually boomeranged on him.
Boomeranged on him.
Yes, big time.
Otherwise, we would have seen a big change in Bihar.
At least I would say, as you're saying, from 12% to 6% is a big swing. I mean, ultimately, I think the kingmaker has gone out of the equation. Yes. Suddenly you find it's a two-way contest.
Well, let me also pull out the poll numbers. JVC is the first number that we had on our screens. Now, Metrize is giving 147 to 167 to the NDA, 70 to 90 to the Mahagathbandhan, Jan Swaraj 0 to 2, 2 to 8 to the others. People's Insight giving again closer to JVC your numbers, 133 to 148 to the NDA, 87 to 102 and 0 to 2 for Jan Swaraj. Others are at 3 to 6, almost similar to this. Average, if you look at it, well, no question about it, 138 to 155, 82 to 98 to the Mahagathbandhan. Again, Jan Swaraj somewhere 0 to 2, 3 to 7 to the others. And if you look at it, one more election that Rahul Gandhi hands over to the NDA.
But because I want to know, Navika, there is no outlier. For example, there is no single psephologist who's predicting that
it's another way around.
It's the other way.
Well, we don't know. We don't know. There are other polls that are still going to come out, and there's one poll, Access My India, which will come out tomorrow. So, we're always looking for a story. But if you look at this, everybody is saying it's going to be an NDA election, and NDA looking all set, possibly to be closer to the 150 mark, which is an upswing, JVC, you would say, from the